Director wa Forensic Police mu biru yabigambo by'abanabuzi b'abaroya bamure Katanga abintu byayanjira mu koti isabite hwire ibyarigiro mu kucebera DNA ugurigira harbaroya bamure bagira ngo director wa police akarima kucebere tinkumu weshagama hamwe n'amacwante IPST kugamba kuba yakoze siwe mu kwita Henry Katanga.
That was already there.
That is already there as a result of?
No, that's already there.
But you have to describe what the background is.
But you don't have activity levels.
I'm just explaining to you what we define as prevalent DNA.
So would I be correct to say that is DNA that was on an object before an incident took place?
I know that is misleading, and I would prefer to explain to court what background DNA is.
Ogu yashobora ngo ibyarigiro mu kucebera DNA bikakwatwamu ningace kirkwetwa edited banyuma yo kurwo mucyoma kandi yagambira koti ngutakabihayo abukuba bir confidential ekibaro yabamore Katanga bagira ngo hakabaho okwindura obujurizi ngo kandi tubarahirwe yo mukoti bati nko kushobora ngo bwahati ebiri yo mukoti bikahindura.
Yes, he edited it.
And the quantitative review?
He edited it under a quantitative. And the quantitative review was done by you.
The quantitative review rely on the data from the analysis we do in the second step.
Answer my question. The quantitative review was done by you.
I did the analysis, so I did the quantitative review.
And you made a subjective decision to remove information and to even clean the electrophoregram so that information cannot be seen.
Aba bayonjera bagira ngo director wa forensic takagambira koti yaba noha watere DNA pisto ninga ngwekazaho bwireki otaireho no muringo ugwiyateirweho ekintu ekibari kushobora ngo DNA ya more Katanga nibasa kuba yateirweho obugundu muringo ugwatar kwenda kushobora.
Who put it there?
Is that the same?
No, my lord. He can. If I touch this table and I touch a gun, I can take Mr. Kabatsi's DNA to that gun. So, Mr. Kabatsi's, would I be correct to say?
Secondary. Okay.
Would I be correct to say your DNA can be on an object you have never touched?
Due to secondary transfer as possible.
Aba bayonjera bashobora ngweshagama ya muri Katanga ikashanga umusirinzi umukinabiro otiriho na balcony amwe n'ahandi ekirikworekangu akabona abonesebwa iki director mu biru yagira ngo utakubasa kuhamya akubeshagama nabasa kuba yayecumitsire akagita umyanye je yashobora.
How fingerprints work, correct? As a master's student in forensic sciences. You understand how fingerprints work, correct?
Yes, my lord.
And do they have to be deposited manually? Yes or no?
Fingerprints on a human being, so somebody must put them there.
On an object, if I touch, is the only way my fingerprint can get somewhere by me touching.
My lord, there are cases where there are synthetic fingerprints also.
Beitu na bwanyuma kuyabuzwa abantu abakozero kucondoza hamshango ogu utiriho ndokurondo bujurizi amshango nugo gumwe gwashobora ngutari kumanya kandobo nubo bamhire ebirkurga mu DNA ebyona byabana bigendo meisho ubumore Katanga ariko bikuratara amutimbagano okurga umuchome cyaruzira.
And